Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a brochure on Google Docs. So here I am at Google Docs, right? docs.google.com. Then you come here and click on template gallery. The reason I am doing this, we want the formatting, right? So here in the template gallery, you just want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the brochures. So we have two different brochure options, whatever fits your boat. You can go ahead and select that one. So let's go ahead and do this one, for example. So we'll pick up this template and you can edit everything here. Image, text, anything. Okay. So here we can go ahead and add a company logo. We can add some pictures of our product, do more pages as well. So this is a nice, neat little template they have for us. If you want to, for example, add your company logo, let me show you how you can go ahead and do that. Drag and drop our logo. There we go. If this happens, guys, don't worry. Very easy to fix. Let's go ahead and resize this. I'll hold shift while I drag this to the left. Make it a little bit smaller. Actually, let me make it a bit more smaller. I think this size will be perfect. If you see this happening as well, do not worry, guys. Come here, click on image options. And then what we're going to do, guys, we're going to come down here and scroll to position. Okay. And we are going to, bring this here. But before we can bring the position here, we need to click on break text. So there we go. And now we are able to move the position. So click on fix position on page. And then let's go ahead and move this at this corner. All right. Now that looks much better, as you can see. Okay. So we have our logo right here. And your text is here as well. And if you don't like the text being here, what you can do is click on in front of text. Okay, this one would look much better actually. So this is how you can edit everything. So you can change this image, bring up your own pages as well. But the main thing, these designs will remain. So it looks a lot better, right? So good luck, guys, with your brochure.